So let's talk about Marfan syndrome. So very important thing about Marfan syndrome is it is also autosomal dominant, and then it happens because of fibrillin gene deficiency, fibrillin 1 gene deficiency or mutation in fibrillin 1 gene, which is present on chromosome number 15. And what will happen, as I have told you, fibrillin gene to fibrillin gene elastin is attached. So this elastin is attached to fibrillin gene. So what will happen if there is mutation in fibrillin gene? This elastin will not be able to bind this. And that is why this Marfan syndrome will lead to a problem of elastin defect. And as you know, this elastin is present in high quantity in large vessels. That is why aortic disease. So aorta can rupture. So rupture of aorta can happen in such patients if based on the severity of disease. If disease is severe, patient die of aortic rupture. Okay. And then second, you can see mitral valve prolapse, because mitral valve is also attached to the heart through elastin. So these two are very important. Cardiovascular manifestation are very important and life-threatening. One is aortic dissection, aortic aneurysm, or aortic like rupture. So these are very important two. And other is mitral valve prolapse. And other than these two, you can see lens dislocation will be there in such patients. Lens dislocation, you will see scoliosis, and then chest deformity, pectus deformity, and arachnodactyly. So fingers of hand will be longer. I will explain this pathogenesis. So these are the presentation. You can see I will explain this pathogenesis. How? So you can see this type of presentation, long statue. So statue will be long, lanky, and thin, very thin. And you can see the muscle will also not be very well developed. Muscle will be atrophy type, very thin muscle, thin limbs, thin hands will be there in such patients. And actually muscle pain can be there because of this. Muscle pain can be there. So bone and muscle both are musculoskeletal systems are involved. And then cardiovascular system, two systems are involved in such conditions. So you can see long fingers, you can see chest deformity, you can see so musculoskeletal and cardiovascular problem. Why does this happen? Let me explain that, because this is the most important thing. Pathogenesis is the most important thing in biochemistry. So what will happen? You can see this is a fibrillin protein. If mutation happens in fibrillin, so two function will be affected, because this fibrillin protein is responsible for two functions. One, as I have before told you, this provide a scaffold, a platform for life, this elastin. And second function of this is to provide it also regulate this factor, growth factor, transforming growth factor. This is a transforming growth factor. You can see transforming growth factor. Actually, so fibrillin has two functions. One is it regulates the expression of this transforming growth factor beta. So what does this do? When this protein is defective, so this transforming growth factor will be overexpressed. Because of overexpression of transforming growth factor, it will cause defect in skeleton. So skeletal overgrowth will be there, skeleton and muscle defect. So musculoskeletal problem happens because of this transforming growth factor, overexpression of transforming growth factor, remember. And then your cardiovascular function happens because of elastin. So tell me, so cardiovascular CVS defect happens because of what?
Elastin.
Great. And then second is musculoskeletal.
Overexpression of TGF beta.
Yeah, overexpression of TGF beta. So if you remember two things, you will remember Marfan syndrome pathogenesis, and you will remember the presentation of Marfan syndrome. Okay, Marfan syndrome is very important, and you can see, you can remember this picture for remembering musculoskeletal problem. Thin, lanky body, myopathy will be there. Small muscle, actually muscle mass will also be less. Bone will be lanky, long, and you can see this. The hand will be very long. fingers will be long, this chest deformity will be there. So this is called Marfanoid habitus. You will see in other diseases also. So this is Marfan type of typical type of Marfan syndrome. So see, whenever you talk about any disease, any syndrome can have like, syndrome cannot always be severe. So it have a like range of presentation. So in people with very severe presentation die early. Patient with milder presentation live longer. So that determines the like prognosis of a syndrome. So you have to understand this. Okay.